Tired of your laptop struggling to keep up? Whether it's endless loading screens or battery drain at the worst moment, we've all been there. Well, the HP EliteBook X G1a promises to change the game. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out! Right out of the box, the EliteBook X G1a makes a statement. Sleek, modern, and lightweight, it's built for professionals who need power on the go. Premium materials give it a polished feel, while its compact form factor ensures portability without compromise. But looks aren't everything, let's see what's under the hood. Powering this machine is a high-performance processor, backed by plenty of RAM and a blazing fast SSD. That means buttery-smooth multitasking and lightning-fast boot-ups. The high-resolution display offers vibrant colors and crisp visuals, perfect for work and entertainment. Battery life? Impressive. Connectivity? You get all the ports you need, plus fast Wi-Fi. And with Windows 11 pre-installed, the experience is smooth right from the start. Numbers don't lie. We put the EliteBook X G1a through its paces with benchmarks and real-world tests. Multitasking? Seamless. Gaming? Decent for light gaming. Productivity apps? Handles them like a champ. Against competitors? It holds its own, offering a solid mix of power and efficiency. So, does the HP EliteBook X G1a live up to the hype? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse for professionals, creators, and anyone looking for a premium laptop experience. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.